The sea is totally rough this evening here at Agavedzi Salakope.
The situation in Agavedzi Salakope is critical.
There is no single house in between the road and the shoreline. Everything has been brought down.
Tidal waves have devastated the coastal communities in the Ketu South municipality.
There is total devastation. As you can see ahead, the waves are already crossing the road into the lagoon, as you can see. So, if nothing is done as early as possible, this road may be gone, and the areas down from Agavedzi Salakope will be cut off,
leaving a trail of destruction in their wake.
The call goes to the president to declare this area as an emergency zone, as a disaster zone, in order to allow for total evacuation of the people here and to be able to, take them to safe havens, and short-term measures taken in order to safeguard the road.
Homes are submerged, properties lost, and livelihood disrupted.
And we need to go through Ewenyigba to join the main Aplau-Akachi road before we are able to reach Denu and Aplau. So
the residents are frustrated, frightened, and fed up. Decades of recurring tidal waves and sea erosion is a major threat to the people of Salakope. This is as a result of climate change and rising sea levels. The recent disaster has created displacement and fear that are already rampant in Keta, Agavedzi, Denu, and Aplau, and almost destroyed road networks completely. The narrow distance between the road and sea at Salakope and Agavedzi is less than 50 meters, putting the coastal road at risk. If the road is severed, it may go a long way to affect other neighboring communities, cutting off properties and vital transport links. The situation demands immediate attention and action. The people of Agavedzi and Salakope need our support and assistance to rebuild and recover. We must act now to prevent further devastation and ensure the long-term sustainability of these coastal communities.
On this note, I want to thank you for your attention. My name, once again, is Joel Kofi Deg, a citizen of Keta. God bless you.